I'm Ryan McCaffrey with good news for PlayStation owners. By blocking HBO Go on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 3, our friends at Comcast could be violating one of the FCC's newly passed net neutrality rules. On Thursday, the FCC published the official text of the Open Internet Order, which until then was unseen by the public. The first focus of the order, as previously explained by FCC Chairman Tom Wheeler, is to eliminate 3 practices deemed exceedingly harmful to a free internet: blocking, throttling, and paid prioritization. The Open Internet Order states, quote, "A person engaged in the provision of broadband internet access service shall not block lawful content, applications, services, or non-harmful devices subject to reasonable network management," end quote. That is, customers must get any service they pay for in its fullest form and must not be charged in a way that favors particular content. As a lawful application, HBO Go should be available on customers' devices. But Comcast customers have frequently complained on Comcast forums that HBO Go won't work on Sony consoles. The issue began with the app's PS3 launch in March of last year and persisted on PS4 earlier this month. The FCC's, quote, "reasonable network management" exception mentioned in the above rule states that a provider may block or throttle a service or app so long as it has a technical justification for doing so and doesn't relate to business decisions. So, if Comcast has a network management reason for blocking the app, then it may be considered an exception to the rules. But in a February 18th forum response, a Comcast employee said, quote, "HBO Go availability on PS3 and some other devices are business decisions and deal with business terms that have not yet been agreed to between the parties," end quote. If the decision is indeed based on business matters and not technical issues, as Comcast says, then the provider might not have the regulatory power over HBO Go on Sony consoles. We will keep you updated as we learn more right here on IGN.